Morning people, here I am, got my Amazon parcel in hand. It's been returned now to Amazon. I'm just walking around to the post office, which I'm fortunate that the post office for me is just around the corner. Depending where it came from, if it came from a third party, it would have been collected by a courier. But Amazon, when you return, you decide on your method of returning. They select the post office, you just get a label, you print it off, you stick a copy inside with a copy of your invoice summary from off your orders, stick it in the box, tape up your box, and I'm just on the way to the post office, which is just up the road there somewhere. Yeah, just take it there, just up to the shops, and then we'll get this thing posted, get it returned, and once I get my return, we can carry on with that build. Okay, so hope you guys have a nice day. Oh, and today is Wednesday, the 2nd of February 2022. So here we go, guys. I've got my proof of posting, just posted it. Here's my proof of posting, that's been posted. So now it's a waiting game.